How to fix pictures not showing in gallery of Android device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is make sure that you have the latest version of the gallery option over here. So just go to the Play Store application and search for gallery. Now make sure that you have the latest version of the application on your device, so you can search for whichever app that you have downloaded for your gallery and make sure that it is the latest version. Then what you can do is just tap on the gallery option and then tap on app info, and then just go to the clear cache option, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on OK, then tap on app permission and make sure that you have toggled on the option of files and media over here. Now after that, go back and try to restart your device, and this might solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.